We're going to talk about is why this rain is actually kind of beneficial. I know it's a bummer up in Hampton with the carousel and some other things as well. There's a cherry blossom festival also impacted by this rainy forecast. There's some problems. You want to get outside and enjoy this time of year. Not going to be a good weekend for it. Not Saturday or Sunday. I'll explain why. Wanted to show you the temperatures. We did have a cool day yesterday. Today we're still going to be a little bit below average, upper 50, so another blue day. We will warm up on Saturday, but it's going to get a lot wetter. Notice over the past couple of weeks, we really haven't had much precipitation. A little bit of light rain Monday, a little bit last Friday, but the beginning of the month was really wet. I want to show you the drought monitor. This just updated, and you can see our entire viewing area is in good shape. We don't need any more rain. We are likely to see another inch to, say, inch and a half, 2 inches, maybe even 2.5 to 3 in some spots. More rain is coming. And again, that's not a bad thing. Remember, we've had the wildfires burning up in Shenandoah National Park and back over just west of Stanton. We've been looking at that. So the Shenandoah Valley's been dealing with it. There's poor air quality up there, and the rain that is coming tonight with this storm system into tomorrow, and it will exit again late Saturday. That is going to help knock down the wildfires and improve the air quality up that way. So I just wanted to share that's one of the positives with this storm system coming through. The other thing is the tree pollen's high. I know I've really been feeling it lately. You may have been feeling it more as well. Grass, ragweed, mold, all low, but tree pollen's high. Take a look at the forecast, and we're going to see much lower levels tomorrow. The reason for that, the heavier rain coming in tonight and tomorrow. That'll knock the pollen down. As we dry out and it gets windy again on Sunday, that's going to stir up the pollen, and Monday it's going to be high again, but we'll at least get a little bit of a break. Now, our rain chances, could see some isolated showers this evening. I think we will, by late evening, see rain becoming a little more widespread towards midnight, and then it's going to be pretty much of a washout Saturday morning. There might be some breaks early afternoon, but I expect another wave of rain to come through later in the day with the cold front pushing through. The rain should be out before Sunday, but there might be a few showers lingering into early Sunday. We'll see. That would be pre-sunrise Sunday. I expect skies to clear on Sunday, and things will be improving. Our storm system down here to the southwest, we were talking about that. It's going to make its run towards Hampton Roads. Let's jump into the future cast again. Early on in the evening, maybe a few spotty showers out to the west and to the south, but the rain overtakes the region through the overnight and into tomorrow. Winds coming up from the south, southeast. We're going to be watching the water levels in Back Bay and around the Albemarle and Currituck Sounds. The winds shift behind that cold front, and that's going to push the water southward. So we are going to be watching for that. Again, heavy rain and those tides a concern as well on Sunday. So a lot to watch. We will keep you updated through the week.